Let's take it from the passenger
Mm-hmm.
POV. I'm in the back seat. Boom, there's an accident. What is the first thing I need to know/do?
So as a passenger, you're in a rideshare vehicle, you get in a car accident, obviously the police will be called to the scene. You want to make absolute certain that the officer who comes to investigate to know that you're a rideshare passenger. Sometimes these things aren't discussed and the officer just might assume that you're there casually and that you're not a paying customer. So it's very important for you to let the officer know that you are a rideshare passenger. That way they can appropriately document the police report. You also want to make sure that you stay behind. I know a lot of people who are in rideshare services, they're headed somewhere. They're headed
Yeah,
to
I'm headed off to the airport. I mean, I'm in a rideshare every time I'm going to the airport.
right. Airport, parties, important meetings. You're without a car, you have to get to the job. If at all possible, we urge the listener to stay behind, wait for the officer to come to the scene, properly document it, make sure that you're on the police report. That's vital for any sort of case. You want to make sure that everybody knows that you were involved in this wreck. So if you are injured, later when you're trying to make a claim, you're not running into an obstacle of not being able to prove that you were there.
But what if I can't stay behind?
And that happens all the time. So what we advise people to do is make sure that you exchange information with absolutely everybody on the scene. If there are multiple vehicles involved, get everybody's, driver's license, insurance card, take pictures of the vehicle, take pictures of the license plate. You should be calling it in to the rideshare app. A lot of times there's protocol. You either do it through the application or you call them. You can even call the police from the scene and tell them that you're in a rush. You're going to be, you're going to miss a meeting. You're going to miss a flight. So you want to make sure it's properly documented. And essentially, Georgia law says you should not be leaving the scene of the collision anyhow. But if it's absolutely necessary that you do, make sure you do these things so tomorrow there's no dispute that you were there